All right, guys, I am sorry if I created any confusion earlier with our discussion on grades. I wanted to go ahead and just pop this little video out to you to see what you thought. If you can just respond via email to me and let me know your thoughts. So I know some of you want to do this daily, some of you want to do it weekly, so I want to accommodate you in that. So kind of what I've done here is created, if you're going to do it daily, this would be you, all right? And if you're just going to put in one grade a week, that would be here. So again, just the easiest way to look at this is overall for the week. So if we ended up with anywhere from 120 to 105, again, that gives that little bit of a gap for if it shuts off or anything else. If you're going to do it, you would actually give 10s each day for a total of 40 points, which equivalents to 10 over here, which would be 100%, 10 out of 10. Over here, anywhere from 105 to 90 minutes. Again, on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, that would be that 10 points, with a 6 on Friday. So when you add that together, it's 36. 36 out of 40 is a 90%. Do you guys see why I did that? Because 9 out of 10 would be 90, 36 out of 40 would be 90. So we're getting the same equivalence. So you would go ahead and give them that beginning of the week and fill it in and leave Friday, kind of like what Val was talking about. With the note, only had so many minutes this week. If you're talking about 75 to 90 minutes, it would be 10, 10, 10, and 2 for a 32, because 32 out of 40 is an 80%, which is the same as an 8 out of 10. If it's 60 minutes to 75, it would be a 10 on Monday, a 10 on Tuesday, a 4 on Thursday, and a 4 on Friday. Again, I'd put notes, short minutes on these, because 28 out of 40 is a 70%. And so on. Does that make sense? I hope that this makes it easier. If you want to do one weekly grade for Edmentum in language arts and math and reading, you may do so right here with this based on these minutes. If you like to do it by each day, you may do so. That will be this here, okay? Based on the day, based on these amount of minutes. Does that make sense to everybody? If you have questions, let me know. Email me that yes, I got it, yes, I understood, or no, I did not get it, and I need to chat with you more so I make sure I'm doing this right. All right? I hope this makes it a little bit better. And it should allow for those gaps where maybe it's timing out a little bit. All right, guys, have a great afternoon. See you later.